Well, I'm going to warn you ahead of time that this video will be a little bit lengthy and that I don't have any script. I just tell it like I see it and as things come into mind as I walk around. So sometimes I hesitate and you probably all wonder what's going on, but that's just the way it is when you're ad-libbing and trying to get through something as you're walking around the car. So this is the 1932 Cadillac model 355B. 1931 would have been an A, this is a B, and then in the next year after this, 1933, is another different series. So here we go with this one. You're looking at a car that was totally restored. Every nut and bolt, every fastener, every piece of hardware, and every piece of wood, yes, they have wood in them, was replaced. Lots of notes and details explaining what was going on and how it was restored. And this is the car. So what you're seeing is an older restoration that really has not been driven. The way I understand it, the man that restored the car came up with cancer and died before he was really able to enjoy the car. When the car was restored, the gauges were sent out to a restoration service and put back in, and I don't know if you can read it or not, but it looks like 428 or 9 miles since the restoration was completed. So mileage wise, the car is relatively fresh. Time wise, not so much. There's a couple of my helpers here. Old Daisy, she's an old girl, and then Onyx, who is our younger girl, and she had a haircut. She wouldn't let us comb or brush her out, so we finally took her to a groomer and said, cut all this stuff off and we'll try again. So that's Onyx. Okay, now back to the car. So I'm gonna open the hood. It's a little bit of a chore, quite heavy. I've got the hood vents closed on this side so you can get a look of what it looks like that way. And on this side, I have them open, just so you can see the difference in the look between the two views. All right, now I got to reach down in here and unlatch the hood. It's a rather heavy piece. Okay, hood is open, and here we have the 355 cubic inch V8. This basic engine was first introduced in 1928 as aluminum block with the iron heads. So this engine was produced from 28 to 1935. In 36 they went to the monoblock. A few little changes in the engine along the way, and different cubic inch displacements depending on the year and which car it went in. LaSalle also used this same basic engine. I'm going to set you down here for a minute. I don't want to turn the camera off and lose my place, but I can't quite get the hood down here and latched with one hand like I thought I would be able to do. Go. There we are. There we are. I got it. Okay. Now, yeah, suicide type doors. The convertible top is down, Now this is a convertible, it's not a roadster. So when the top is up, we've got windows that roll up and close the car up pretty well. So there's with one window up. And I've got the convertible top bars. These two bars go across the top of the window here that help close the car up when it's, let's see, did you get that? Goes here. Okay, this is more like it here. There's a left and a right, and then when the top is up, you snap the snaps to seal the car up for rainy weather. Okay, now I stumbled through that a little bit, didn't I? All right, now I'm going to back off here so you can see the profile. And yeah, you can take the luggage case off, and then the luggage rack folds up against the back of the car here. This is a rumble seat car, so you want to put a couple passengers in the back. There's the step plates to step up in, and there you go, room for 4. They're big, heavy cars, steel body. Yeah, you could probably get 4 Mazdas out of the steel and aluminum that's on this car. Okay, rumble seats down. Let's go for a ride. Remember, no power steering, no power brakes. Big heavy car. We got oil pressure. Temperature is down cold, it's not warmed up yet. Our generator's working fine. Gas gauge is showing about 2/3, and I didn't wind up the clock, sorry. Okay, so I'm going to have to do this one-handed, wait for the traffic, and let's see what happens here.